Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter Colonialism, Rural and Tribal Society. I am taking this chapter because this one is easy for you. You can learn and read it with efficiency. Okay, and today we are discussing about how Britisher introduced land revenue in your country, and economic exploitation was there. How they are going to exploit the money from here to their own country. Okay, and you read the first paragraph on self, and the second one is there, colonial agrarian policy and its impact, and how land revenue introduced by the Britisher in India. First land revenue introduced by the Britisher by in Bengal, Jimidari system. It was introduced in 1793 by Lord Cornwallis. And do you know about that? How much percent? And they give the right to the Jimidar to collect the taxes from the people, peasants. And they said to them that 89% share given to the Britisher and 11% share for the Jimidars. And whole, it means whole control on the land was by the Britisher. Okay, and how they are going to honor the land, honor was the Jimidar, honor of the land was the Jimidar. Okay, and when there was any famine and crop was not in a good on that time, Jimidar pressurized the peasants to give the land revenue. If they are failed to give that on that time, they tortured and they compelled them to take the loan from the Jimidar. And on the other hand, maximum benefit went to the Jimidar, and the peasants led their miserable life. Okay, first one is introduced in, first you write one, the Jimidari system introduced when and where and by whom. Okay, and next one is Roytwadi system, and this system is introduced in south and west. When it introduced South and West India by Thomas Munro in 1820, because this system established to direct settlement between the government and riots, and it was introduced in 1820. It means direct settlement between the government and the riots. Who were riots are the cultivator, those who cultivate the land, and directly revenue collected from the cultivator, and it's quite high, and the peasants were not able to pay the land revenue, and they were tortured by the, punished by the, and atrocities done by the Britisher on them. And how to, it was compulsory for them to give the land revenue. And third one is Mahalwari system, and this system introduced by Holt Mackenzie. Okay, Mackenzie, you pronunciation is there. Mackenzie. It was introduced in when? 1822. Where? Genting Valley, Northwest Province, Central India and Punjab. And collect settlement was made with a group of villages, Mahal. They give the name to the villages, Mahal, group of villages. And forest and pasture belong to the village community, village jointly responsible. And it is the duty of the Mahal, head of the Mahal, to collect the land revenue from the other villages and submit it to the Britisher. And this one is also easy method for the Britisher, how they are going to exploit the money from here, and how they are going to torture. And these settlements, though land revenue settlements, were introduced by the Britisher. These, by that, peasants always against opposed the Britishers to implemented the land revenue introduced by the Britisher, and because they were on that time all were depend on the agriculture land, and when they are going to give the taxes and land revenue to the Britishers, then it was very difficult for them to feed their own family. And on that time they take the loan from the money lenders, and sometimes their land were also taken by the jimidars because they were not able to pay the land revenue. Okay, and you know about that how they are going to participated in the 1857 revolt, why they are going to do, why tribal community opposed the Britisher, why there was a peasant revolt against the Britisher. All these related with this type of land revenue introduced by the British, and these land revenue compel them to fight against the Britisher, oppose the Britisher policies. Okay, only here we are going to read, and tomorrow we will discuss about that. Maybe, okay, thank you.